Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Stumble Guys keeps crashing. To know how to fix or how to solve Stumble Guys keeps crashing, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list, you will search about this window of Stumble Guys. Then in this list of app info, you will enter to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. After that we click clear cache. And in the end of all these steps, then you can turn off your phone. You will turn on your phone again and you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.